guys, welcome to Givinator Travel and Tours. We do tourism transportation, and this is basically an overview of a Soweto tour with our clients from Brazil. So took them from Sandton to Constitution Hill, whereby they opted for a guided tour with the tourist. Then after that we went to Soweto, Nelson Mandela House. Soon as we arrived, I was sekushukile-ke ngiyazibonela nami sekuyaphithizela the baphuma nje emotweni ahlangabezwa ibutho likaShaka Zulu, uyabona, libamukela eNelson Mandela House. Asizinhlelo zentombi madoda ungeke. Then after lapho-ke sibahambisa ebizwa ngani le ndawo, i-Apartheid Museum. Sathwebula la bekusaseMandela House. Emva kwalokho-ke sapheqa ngokuya e-Apartheid Museum, nakhona sathwebula ithombe. Thank you.